Galatians 2 verse 18. For if I build again the things which I destroyed, I make myself a transgressor. So that is the message of Lord for you today. That God doesn't want you to build what you have already destroyed. God wants you to leave your carcasses of sins. He wants you to continue in your good works. He wants you to continue in your service to Him. He wants you to be clean. God is not pleased to anyone who digs what they have already buried. God wants you to forget of all the messiness in your life. God wants you to leave the sins away. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Bye.